We're here in New Hampshire. We contacted the client. He's got a 64 SS 409. We reached out to him, and now we're here looking at it. We had a far drive, but hopefully we'll finalize our deal and buy the car.
I went to start this thing this morning.
Okay.
And it's got, I believe it's got a bad starter solenoid.
Okay.
This happened to me last year when I went to start it. And it hasn't happened until now.
Of
I
course.
went to pull it out this morning.
Of course.
And, you know, so it's just one of those weird things, you know.
No, it's not weird. It always happens like that.
Yeah, but it's kind of embarrassing, to be honest with you.
Can we jump it off the starter or no?
No, I've already tried.